HT Smartcast.
You are listening to a Mint production brought to you by HT Smartcast.
Good morning, you're listening to Mint Business News with me, Gopika Gopakumar. Here are the top headlines this morning. The settlement or transfer of ownership of stocks on exchanges can be cut to just one business day after the trade is executed starting next year. The Securities and Exchange Board of India decided to allow stock exchanges the option to offer the faster T+1 trade cycle instead of the existing T+2 cycle from 1st of January. The change to a shorter cycle is likely to benefit retail investors who will get quicker access to cash and securities after trades are executed. UK-based Kane Energy said it will drop litigations to seize Indian properties in countries ranging from France to the US within a couple of days of getting a $1 billion refund resulting from the scrapping of a retrospective tax law. Indian edtech unicorn BYJU'S has acquired online test preparation platform GradeUp. The company, which already had a presence in joint entrance examination and national eligibility entrance test, will be going deeper into the exam preparation space and expanding its offerings across 150 exams in 25 categories. This marks the 8th acquisition for BYJU'S in 2021, which has already shelled out more than $2.2 billion in acquisition this year alone. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal has agreed with the Reserve Bank of India that banks cannot be prevented from classifying Shrey Group as a non-performing asset. In doing so, the Appellate Tribunal has set aside interim directions of the NCLT Calcutta from October last year. The tribunal had restrained banks from taking any coercive action or changing the account status of Shrey Equipment Finance and its holding company Shrey Infrastructure Finance. The Appellate Tribunal found these directions not in order. RBI on Tuesday enhanced the scope of tokenization, permitted card issuers to act as token service providers in order to ensure security of transaction card data. Tokenization, which aims at improving the safety and security of the payment system, refers to the replacement of actual card details with a unique alternate code called the token. Yes Bank, the single largest shareholder in Dish TV, is pushing for a promoter change in the satellite TV provider, alleging that the board is not acting in line with good corporate governance standard. Dish TV on Monday shared with BSE a 28-page letter from Yes Bank which alleged that the company has proceeded with a plan to raise 1,000 crore rupees through a rights issue despite objections by the bank. Moving on to markets, Sensex Nifty may open flat. Asian stocks were mixed in early trade. After a dip in US shares, the 10-year US Treasury yield trimmed in advance but remained above 1.36%. And in business term of the day, we look at rights issue. Cash-strapped companies can turn to rights issues to raise money when they really need it. In these rights offerings, companies grant shareholders the right but not the obligation to buy new shares at a discount to the current trading price. With that, it's a wrap on today's edition. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Stay safe. Keep smiling.
This was a Mint production brought to you by HT Smartcast.
HT Smartcast.